gonna be in y. Y equals mx plus b form. All right. So with that being said, so our y-intercept here. Actually, I'm gonna do red. With this here, this is gonna be our y-intercept, right? You got that? So when we start graphing these, when we get our problem, we start graphing them, we're gonna graph that y-intercept first, right? So again, this here, our mx part, this part right here is gonna equal our rise over run. You following? Yeah. So that way when we graph on the y-intercept, this is gonna tell us to go up or down, or you know, you get it, and then left or right. Cool. All right. So the first example that I will use today will be, we're gonna grab this real quick. All right. What's our first step doing this from what we just went over?
Find the rise and run.
Well, y-intercept first, right? So on this problem, which one would be our y-intercept? Three or?
-3.
-3, right? We're gonna pull all that, right? So if I slope -3, and this will be +1, 2, right? So let's draw this out this way. All right. So this will be -1, -2, -3. All right. Actually, I take that. Sorry, I'm teaching you wrong. We on the y-intercept first. Sorry about that. That was my mistake. The y, my bad. This is our y, obviously, and that's our x. So, same thing though. It would just be here. So, this would be -1, -2, -3, right? So, our y-intercept will start here. -3. All right. Then, from -3, how do we use this area now, right?
For a run.
So rise over run, right? So if the number 2 is by itself, so what do we normally put underneath here as a placeholder? 1, right? So with that being said, we will what? We'll rise.
Rise over run.
Exactly.
So you rise 2 and then you run 1.
Thank you. So if that's the case, then we're going 1, 2, and then over 1. Make sense? All right, then I know this line ain't gonna be perfect, but you get the gist of that, right?
Yeah.
All right, boom. Let's try one more. I'm gonna keep this up here. This is very important. So we got another graph here. Boom, right? Let's say this time, let's throw a fraction in there this time. We're gonna throw a fraction. Y equals -2 over 3x plus 5. All right? Get our things on here real quick. Just in case. Vice versa, right? All right. First step.
Find the y-intercept.
Y-intercept. What's our y-intercept right now?
5.
5. Here. Correction. Correct? Alright. Boom. Now, rise over run. So now what's our rise?
Our rise is 5.
We doing here now.
Rise is -2.
-2. So do I go up or down for -2?
Down.
We go down, right? So we check 1 and that's 2. So we down 2, and then we go left or right for our run
We go
because it's positive. So
right.
we're going to right 3. So over here, 1, 2, 3. That'll put us somewhere in there. See how we working? Yeah. If I was to try to draw the perfect line, that's why we're going to use graph paper for the next problem, so you get these lines real accurate. But this is literally what we're doing. We're graphing got a equation for you right here. And it's the same one on your paper, and we're gonna follow along. And then you got this graph paper, we're gonna take it to the graph. And it's my copy here, because I'm gonna do it alongside of you. Alright, cool. So we got what we're looking for is to find out when will he catch up, right? The two people we got in question is Josiah versus Katie. They having a race, right? There you go. They're in a race. Josiah starts with a 30-yard head start. All right, 30-yard head start. A little pencil boot. That's important. 30-yard head start is important. All right, Josiah runs a blazing 4 yards per second. That's how fast he's going. Make sense? All right, cool. All right, then Caden is to use his hoverboard. Okay? He puts it at max speed. The max speed is 10 yards. Yes, sir, 10 yards per second. How long will it take for Caden to catch up with Josiah? All right. So, first part of our information there, right? If we were graphing that, let me. Can I change this color to blue? There you go. All right. Number line, all right. You have yours right there. You can follow along from there. So what's on your y-axis? What we did?
My y-axis.
About fives?
Yeah.
All right, cool. This is our y. This is our x. For this case, let's say our y is gonna be our yards. That's gonna be our distance. Distance. Your x is your time, and that'll be the seconds that they are around. Cool. Alright, let's try to make this even as possible. So, if Josiah starts with a 30-yard head start, where would he start at on his y?
So you'll start at 30. So like, because you start at the y axis, so distance.
So we're looking at it from here. Yeah. All right. So we're looking at it from here. We're going up. Let's just write them here. Let's just go by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right. So if he starts with a head start, then he will start at the 30. He start here because it's the 30-yard line. Right? He's ahead. We understand that part. He runs a blazing 4 yards per second.
So that would be x-axis. So he'll be the fourth one on x-axis. So I'm right.
So we would end up going. So I gotta look. Okay, let's see. If he got 4 yards.